To study the expansion in liquids. Materials required: a test tube with stopper, some water, a lamp. Procedure: take a test tube and fill it to the brim with water. Take a rubber stopper with a hole in the center. Insert a hollow glass tube in this hole and fix the stopper to the tube so that a little liquid rises in the tube. See the figure. Now heat the test tube over a flame. Observe the level of liquid in the thin tube. Now stop the heating and let the test tube cool down. Observe what happens to the level of the liquid. Observation: the level of the liquid moves upward. Conclusion: water expands on heating.